Hello students, welcome to What is Science? Video homework number 1. Your instructions are simple. Watch the video and take Cornell notes in your journal. You may pause or play the video again as much as you need. Tomorrow in class, you will be completing a graphic organizer using only the notes taken from this presentation. Big ideas, the topics that are important, are located in the upper left-hand corners of your screen. Important note-taking information is in black type. Science, the earth and beyond. Science is everything from the deepest parts of the ocean to outer space and beyond. Your first Cornell note, science, the study of the natural world. Just look around you. Chances are there's a scientist who studies whatever you see, wherever you are, whether you're at home in your room, on the school bus, outside in your neighborhood, wherever. This is an example of how your Cornell notes will look like. In the left-hand side of your page, you have the important vocabulary terms or topics. On the right-hand side, you have your definitions and information and the examples or whatever you want to put. Science, the study of the natural world, and then we have the rest of the information that we're going to be looking at momentarily. What does science tell us? Science explains how things happen. Scientific knowledge is and probably always will be changing. The instrument that you're looking at right now, whether your telephone or your computer, whatever, the technology of those particular devices has been changing constantly in the last 20 to 30 years. How a telephone works today is nowhere near what it was when I was your age. Everything in science is constantly changing depending on how scientists are studying things and making them better. Scientific law, a description of scientific relationships under given conditions in the natural world. Laws describe the way and the why the world works. For example, the law of gravity. Your feet stay on the ground. If it wasn't for the law of gravity, you'd be floating up into space. That explains why you do not float away. The law of gravity keeps you on the ground. Scientific theory. Scientific theory, a well-supported explanation of nature. Theories help us understand the laws that we observe. Theories attempt to explain how the things in this world happen, such as atomic theory. What is an atom? What does it look like? We can't see it. They're too small. The Big Bang theory, how the universe was created. It's a theory that helps us understand laws we observe today. And our last important note for our Cornell notes, empirical evidence. We all know what evidence is, but what does empirical mean? As you see at the bottom of the slide, empirical means based on testing or observation. What we see, what we experience, what we gain as information based on testing. Where do scientists get this empirical evidence? Out in the field. What is the field? It could be down in the ocean if you're a marine biologist. It could be up on the International Space Station if you're an astronaut. Or it can be in the laboratory. And we're going to be doing some lab experiments in class as the year goes on. Empirical evidence, as your Cornell note should go. All the measurements and data can be numbers, that kind of information. All the measurements and data scientists gather in support of a scientific explanation. Do not forget to bring your notes to class tomorrow. You will be needing them during class to do your graphic organizer. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope I didn't take too much time out of your evening or your afternoon. Have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.